there might be something in that that may be contributing to why you're having dry locks or why you don't think your locks is as healthy as they should be. So I spray lavender rose, the best of both worlds, very soothing, smells really good. My boyfriend can tell when I've sprayed it or done my lock maintenance routine. Even if it's been like a few days, it's just really good to add moisture to your locks. So yes, L is still for liquid. I like to use something that is lightweight but still provides a lot of hydrating and moisture. So I liked basically moving from plain water to either rose water, which is everyone's like favorite, or even aloe vera. But you have to be careful on what you get, of course. If it has too much additives or not made specifically for locks, you can run into more issues with buildup. So you have to be even more intentional with not being so heavy-handed, just to prevent buildup from happening rapidly. So now it's time for the O, which is oil. If you don't know, I'm basically the oil queen, okay? So I choose organic oils. I try to stay away from mineral oils or those with petroleum-based products, those who just have like filler products, and even those that have like way too many ingredients I steer away from. I just want a good all organic hair oil that provides my hair a lot of nourishing aspects, that also helps seal in the hydration that I just put in with the liquid, and something that I can, do my hot oil treatments or just kind of provide that extra sense of protection, especially in the winter. Like this wind, don't play around when it comes to your lips, play around when it comes to your hair and scalp. So I'm actually using my new oil blend. If you followed the Resilient Lotus on Instagram, if you have followed us for any amount of time, you may or may not have seen something that looked very similar to this a long time ago. I'm still in the lab, I'm still creating, and this is gonna be a banger, y'all. It's coming. But I really like putting oil in on my scalp and then just massaging that in. And I can kind of be a little heavy-handed when it comes to oils, but just again, doing the least amount that you need to get the job done, because you can get buildup from doing too many oils, and depending on the oil's properties, it might even contribute to buildup more quickly. So do be mindful of how much oil you add. Don't be like me and be heavy-handed. I guess a pro tip to this would be, I also like to do this after my shower. So I throw my hair up and I really let the steam hit my locks. So I don't cover my locks necessarily in the shower, and it's easier when you're not retwisting all the time. But I just throw my hair up in a ponytail so it doesn't get wet every single time, kind of give it a steam treatment. And then for an extra special treat, I could warm this up in some warm water and do like a nice little hot oil treatment and massage it in. So, and the C in L.O.C method is actually, instead of cream, I am using cover. Cover your locks. Like, this is not a game. It's not a game. This is not a warning. This is for real. This is happening. I like to use a satin scarf for this. I usually only wrap my hair up at night, but now I'm wrapping my hair up, throughout the day if I'm not doing anything, if I don't need it out, just because that prevents any lint from attaching to begin with. So that way you don't have to worry as much when it's time for brushing, or you may not even have to brush as often because your locks are covered. So if you prevent things from latching on there to begin with, you probably don't have to worry too much about getting it out when you're brushing. But usually after I'm done with putting the liquid in and putting the oil in, I would actually throw my hair up, do what I need to do for a while, and then when I'm ready to go to lay down or chill, after my hair has kind of dry and kind of got that all in, I put my scarf on, cover my locks, and continue with my days. That's how I maintain moisture, especially in the winter time for my locks. What does your lock routine look like? Like, usually people send me DMs or questions and say, what is my suggestion for dry locks? And the one thing I'm always gonna ask is like, well, what do you already do now? Like, what kind of products do you use? How often do you use it? Like, I kind of need to see what your routine is now, because there might be something in that that may be contributing to why you're having dry locks or why you don't think your locks is as healthy as they should be. But this is my lock maintenance routine. And since I've been more consistent with making videos, I have definitely been more consistent with keeping up with my lock routine. So I just encourage you guys to document your journey as well. But yeah, y'all, that's it. That's all. If you like this video, make sure to like it and let me know in the comments. And yeah, until next time, peace.